it will be used as while you are going to searching anything for alphabet. So you are going to search the S. So S related what we have, that all the things will be printed. So you are going to suppose search anything of the V something, so that all are, it will be presented regarding that alphabet letter only. Okay, I'll tell you another one, what is controllers. So we have the controller. Okay, so of what is controller means, a controller is used to control the data. Okay, and behavior of a specific part of the UI, means user interface. Okay, so this is what we are going to use. So I'm going to tell you the one syntax for this. Okay, so here app, so which one you are going to take, it is any controller something, app, header, something. So this will be, you can indicate so you can indicate that particular name. So after that you can take the controller directly, so controller module directly you can take. So after that what you have something, so any controller you can use, module controller I'm going to take here. Okay, so how many quotations we have? We have the 3 quotations. So that is single quoted, double quoted and the backtick. Okay, so here the controller, after that function, you can take the function. Here scope I'm using. So here the scope means, reference purpose I'm going to take here. Okay, so I'm going to pass the some message. So here the dynamically it is happening. So suppose a scope dot message. So scope dot message I'm going to take here. After that here I'm going to take hello from controller. Hello from controller, here we can take. Okay, so here I'm going to adding this. So this is the controller. Okay, so after that we are going to take the service. Okay, so what is the service? Service means it will be reusable the code. Okay, service means reusable the code. So any future we need after the page, it will be added. So the same code. So reusable code blocks that handle logic. Okay, handle that logic or data. Okay, so across multiple controller. Okay, so it will be happen like that. So after that what we have next, we have the directive. So here the directive means it will be use some tags in that directives. Okay, so here the directives is the extension using HTML. Okay, extension for using HTML as well. So next what we have the filters. So here the filters means here the transform the data for the view. So it is manipulating the UI. The filter will be using like that. Okay, so using these controllers we need to take one example. So here we have the configurations also. Here in this configurations we have the initialization phase 1. So here it will be taking the routing provided something. So what is the routing? So here the routing means it is redirected to one page to another page. So in one page to another page, in the HTML we have to take the link. So here I am going to use that will be routing concept. Okay, so all good from here. So what is the modules and what we have the properties we have learned now. So here I'm going to execute the example. Okay, using this. Okay, so I'm going to do the example here. Okay, so here I'm going to take, already we have taken, so I'm going to create component here. Okay, so here Control C. So here I'm going to creating one component, so that is NgGC. So component name here module, the component module 1 2 3 I'm taking here. So I'm going to clicking on here. So what happened, it is defaultly it will be create the 4 files. So that 4 files is spectre.ts will be used for the testing, and the module.ts will be we are writing that the business logic, and .css means we are writing the CSS code. So that will be cascading style sheets, what is the view we need to correct it. So HTML will be just we are going to write the view, and the CSS we are need to give with the coloring for that. Okay, so here I'm going to extending. So we don't want this spec file, it is for testing purpose only, so I'm going to deleting that one currently. So here I'm going to take first it is there or not, we will check first. So go to give the root for app.ts first, so that is the parent one. Okay, so here I'm going to taking import first. So importing here so here I'm going to take module. What is the module we have created? So it is created. So after that we need to import this one. Okay, so we need to import that one. So module.ts. Okay, so we have given successfully routing here. Okay, so after that we need to run this one. Okay, so no, we don't want to run this one. First we need to do, and first we need to write the code on this. So I'm going to run this. For running purpose we are going to use npm start or else ngserv. Okay, so okay, so I'm going to running this one. It is not came, it is there, right? So warning, imports module.ts. So here it is not within the template app. Router outlet, it is there, right? So it is telling that it is not there within the app, but it is there. So you are getting any error like this, use ChatGPT. So how to use? So you can give just this bit of error here. So you can take and paste error here first. Okay, this error you got, right? So here you can take this entire one. Okay, so you can add here. Okay, so it will found one thing. So you can use this one. So this is the cleaned code, and you can take so it is not fixing that. Same error we are getting. So here router up or module.ts. Okay, so we need to mention router outlet is there here. Okay, so we need to mention here app hyphen what we have in here. We have we need to mention module. Okay, module 1 2 3. So here also module 1 2 3 we have mentioned. Router outlet. here it is working. So here what happened means we have fixed something here. So first we need to create the component, after that we need to give the path for that, and after that we need to add the path over there. Okay, so after that only it will be work. Are you getting my point? So here I need to take the so path means you need to give the route for particular thing. So which component you are creating, so here the app.ts will be the main component. Here it is rendering from here only. Okay, so first what the components you have created, that routing you need to give here. So here the router outlet will be main thing. Okay, so here we have created some path. So after that we need to execute one program. Okay, so that is the module.ts. So so we have created three things. So here I am going to pass the values here. From here I am going to pass the values. So here message. Okay, so what is this type? This type will be the string. So here I'm passing one message here, hello, okay, from Angular module. Okay, so this message I'm passing here. So after that HTML. So here the HTML, the dynamic data I'm getting from there to here. So here I'm taking div it is nothing but container, right? So here I'm taking like that. So here I'm taking like that, the small thing I'm going to teach you now. So class container. Okay, this container, here I'm going to pass the dynamic thing. So what the message we have here, so copy this one, exact name, and you can pass here using string interpolation. Okay, so that symbol is string interpolation. Okay, so here for that we need to apply the some CSS part here. Okay, so so see here, hello from Angular module. So what I have done, I didn't write any front end code. So in the business logic I have passed. So here we have the CSS also. So here we need to write the CSS first. So here what we have taken here, the container. So you can take the container here. Yeah, here the container, I need to pass text align center. Okay, text align center here. After that margin top 50 pixel. Okay, so 50 pixel it is going on up. Next h1, I'm going to pass for h1 color I want to set here. So directly you can pass the color for text. Color means what? For text it will be added. Okay, named color I'm going to use. Okay, named color it will be used. Okay, so aqua. Just for identifying purpose only I'm going to take that one. So if it is needed you can take anything. Okay, so font family, the default one for browser, Arial. Okay, Arial. Okay, so after that we need to take padding. So the padding I'm going to take for 10 pixels. So for it is helpful for 4 sides of corners. So same responsive it will be show for 4 sides. Okay, so after that a border radius. So the border radius, the curve will be happen. Okay, 6 pixels. So next background color. So the background color you need to take here, that will be, I'm going to take blue. Okay, So named color directly I'm going to use blue violet something. Okay. uh, After that, display. So display inline a block only I'm going to add. Okay. So I need box shadow here. So this is the box shadow. I'm going to add some RGBA colors. Okay, 4 pixels RGBA. So here I'm going to use 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.1. Okay. So I'm going to run this. Already it is there in the browser. So this is how the way I have set this. So here you can observe in the mobile point of view. So here see, it is not disturbing anything. So it is just there. It is just there in the mobile view also. You can set anything here. You can set any dimensions, and you can set any mobile